Next is solving linear equation. Solving linear equation means we have to find the value of variable given in the equation, because you know that variable has not the fixed value, but if we solve the equation, then we will get the exact value of that variable in the given equation. See worksheet 2. Here we have given the equation and the value of the variable is also given, and we have to find whether the given value is correct or not. Here 10y is equal to 80. In first equation 10y is equal to 80, and he has given the value of y 6. If value of y 6 is correct, then if we replace the value of y in the given equation, then left hand side should be equal to right hand side, and if left hand side is not equal to right hand side, then we can say that this value is not correct. See here, in left hand side 10 is given, here it is 10y, and if we replace y by 6, so 10 multiply 6, it will be 10 multiply by 6, 10 multiply 6 will be 60, and it is 80. It means 60 is equal to 80, and 60 and 80 are not equal. It means given value is not correct, so we will write answer no. Similarly in B part, here b is 5, so in left hand side if we replaced b with 4, it will be 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 9, it means 9 equal to 9, so its answer value is correct, so here we will write yes. See here, p will replace by minus 13, minus 13 minus 8, minus 13 minus 8, so minus 13 minus 8 will be minus 20, it will be minus 21, or minus 21 is not equal to 5, so this value is also wrong, so its answer will be no. See D part, here equation is y upon 3 is equal to minus 9, and the value of y is minus 3. So in left hand side we will replace the value of minus 3. See in the notebook how you can do it in the rough one. See, left hand side is y by 3, and you have to replace y by minus 3, because value of minus 3 is given minus 3, y is given minus 3, so minus 3 upon 3, and if we cut it we will get 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, minus 1 from the left hand side, and in right hand side there is 1, but minus 1 is not equal to 1, minus 1 and 1 is not equal, so its answer will be no. So you can do like this, replace the variable in the left hand side and then it should be equal to right hand side. If both answers are same, then we can say yes, value is correct, and if it's not equal, then we will say no, value of the given variable is not correct. Similarly you can do its all other parts also. Now we will see H part. See H part, here equation is 2x plus 1 is equal to 7, and the value of variable x is 3. See here, equation is 2x plus 1 is equal to 7. So what is the LHS? LHS is 2x plus 7, 2x plus 1, and the value of x is 3. So 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply x means 2 multiply 3 plus 1. So first of all we will do multiplication by BODMAS. 2 plus 3 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 7, and right hand side was already 7, so 7 is equal to 7, so its answer will be yes. Similarly you can do the other parts also. Now solving an equation, first we have short method, it means it is shortcut method. Here what we will do, you will see in the worksheet, we have to balance the equation. Here we have to balance the equation. Suppose one student has 10 rupees and other students has 7 rupees, and we want to their money equal. So what you can do, you can give second student to 3 rupees, both will have 10. Or what you can do, if first one has 10 and second one has 7, you can take the 3 rupees from the first one also, then you will get equal money 7 7. So this we have to do for balancing the equation. See question number 1, x plus 9 is equal to 15. So we have to find the value of x by shortcut method, means by balancing the equation. See here, equation is x plus 9 is equal to 15, and one thing we can do is we can apply the same operations. We can apply the same operation to both sides. We can add the same number to the both sides, we can subtract the same number to the both sides, we can multiply both sides with the same number, we can divide both sides with the same number. Now see question number 1. X plus 9 is equal to 15. Hey, see here, in left hand side 9 is there. If we remove this 9, we will get the value of x, and if we want to remove this 9, there should be minus 9. If minus 9 is there, 9 and minus 9 will be 9 and plus 9 and minus 9 will be cancelled. So what we will do? We will subtract minus 9 from both the sides. So minus 9, I have put the minus 9 from our side here, and minus 9 to this side also. So 9 minus 9 plus 9 will be cancelled. So I will get only x from the left hand side, and 15 minus 9 will be 6 from the right hand side. So answer value of x is 6. See third part, 8x is equal to 24. Here if I remove 8 from the left hand side, I will get the value of x, and because here 8 is in multiplication, so if we divide this by 8, this 8 will be cancelled. So I will divide both side by 8, this side and this side also. Here 8 1 ja 8 and 8 3 ja 24. I will get value of x here 3. Now see fourth part. Here x upon 5 is equal to 4. I have to remove this 5. This is in division. So if I multiply this side by 5, 5 will be cancelled with 5 and I will get x. So I have to multiply both side by 5 with the for balancing the equation. So I have multiplied this side with 5, I have multiplied this side with 5. Here 5 will be cancelled with 5, I will get x, and here I will get 4 5 ja 20. So the value of x is 20. See question number 5. 6 minus y is equal to 9. See here, left hand side is 6 minus y is equal to 9. First I have to remove this 6. This is here plus 6. So if I add minus 6 to both sides, minus 6 to this side and minus 6 to this side, here minus y, and I have written constant together, plus 6 minus 6. Here 9 minus 6 is 3 and 6 minus 6 will be cancelled. I got minus y is equal to 3. But I want the value of y. So I have to remove this sign minus. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, this minus minus will be plus. So here again I have multiplied both sides with minus 1 and with this minus 1. Here y in minus y into minus 1 will be y, and 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. So its answer is y minus 3.